Hi friends, I'm Anupriya. Welcome to your English class. In this session, lots of good sentences and good words to add in your, spoken dictionary. I'm adding that's all about speaking regarding sleep. Yes, when you feel sleepy or when you're already sleeping or when you have wake up. So you need so many phrases to express that expressions. So I have prepared few one for you to speak and express your feelings of sleep. Now, यहाँ मैंने आपके लिए कुछ सेक्शंस बनाए हुए हैं जिसके अकॉर्डिंग आप जब नींद में होते हो या आप सोना चाहते हो या आप जाग जाते हो तो उस सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग आपको कुछ फ्रेजेस इंट्रोड्यूस किए जाएंगे जो कि आपको हेल्प करेंगे बोलने में। फर्स्ट सिचुएशन क्या है? गोइंग टू स्लीप। व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग स्लीपी, आपको नींद आ रही है और आप सोने जा रहे हैं, तो जब ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है तो देयर आर फ्यू काइंड ऑफ फ्रेजेस जो हम यूज करते हैं। What are they in English language? They are I'm going to bed. It means that I am planning to sleep. So going to bed shows, जब हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं go to bed, it means I'm ordering someone, I'm telling someone just go to sleep, or I say I'm going to bed, so it means that I am planning to sleep now. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. So this phrase is used for that situation. Next क्या है? Fall asleep. Now, go to bed is something you are planning to sleep. आप स्पेशल प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो सोने की, पर्पसफुली सो रहे हो. But when you say fall asleep, so that is what मुझे नींद आ गई. Here it happens to you naturally. You don't plan to sleep. It is something happening to you itself. आपको खुद से नींद आ जाती है without preparing or forcing yourself to sleep. Then हम इस phrase को यूज करते हैं fall asleep. I fell asleep last night. I didn't even get to know. मुझे पता भी नहीं चला और मैं कब सो गया. सो गया या मुझे नींद आ गई. That is, you didn't do it purposefully. You didn't plan it. It happened to you. So this is what about this phrase. Now, go straight to sleep. ये फ्रेज हम कब बोलते हैं? ये हम बोलते हैं immediate after anything we need to go to sleep. किसी भी काम के बाद स्पेशली हम सोने ही जा रहे हैं, then हम इस फ्रेज का यूज करते हैं. Suppose I have entered in my home after coming back from the office. I'm very tired. So what I'm saying, I'll not have a dinner today. I'm going straight to sleep. मैं सीधे सोने जा रहा हूँ. Nothing else is important. Or after having my dinner, I'll go straight to sleep. So go straight to sleep. We use this phrase. Before this phrase, we add any situation कि हम किस काम के बाद immediately सोने जा रहे हैं. So then we use such kind of phrase after immediate any action or any situation when we need to go to directly sleep. No other plans. This is what this phrase speaks. Next situation क्या है? When you are in sleeping mode, जब आप सो रहे होते हो already while sleeping. So this durations also gives a lot of phrases. What are these? Take a nap. Take a nap means थोड़ी सी नींद की झपकी ले लेना. So nap is something you are sleeping in a daytime. इस word का हम use ही तब करते हैं जब हम दिन में सो रहे होते हैं. Definitely sleeping is also right. But nap is a phrase which is introduced for sleep in daytime. So we say I'm taking a nap right now. Or nap का भी two types have been derived. First one is I'm taking a power nap. When we say power nap, it means that I have collected a lot of energy once I have taken only few minutes of 1 or 2 hour sleep in a daytime. थोड़ी देर के लिए नींद ले लेना दिन के टाइम पर और एनर्जी कलेक्ट कर लेना या एनर्जेटिक फील करना. We say that nap or we say that power nap. It is also said in the funny way that take a cat nap. You know how long take a cat nap? A lot in the whole day. So taking a cat nap also is a kind of phrase when you sleep a lot in a few minutes or hours duration of the whole day. आप थोड़ी थोड़ी देर पे सोते रहते हो तो उसको बोलते हैं cat nap. That is taken in a daytime. So that's what nap means. A heavy sleeper. ये use किया जाता है especially for those people who don't get up easily in the whole night. जो कि एक बार सोते हैं तो स्पेशली मॉर्निंग में ही उठते हैं, पूरी रात भी कैन नॉट ओपन देयर आईज व्हाट एवर सिचुएशन कम्स अराउंड. So he is a heavy sleeper means he is in a very deep sleep. You cannot wake that person in the whole night easily. Definitely in morning you will do, but if you are a heavy sleeper, it's very difficult to wake you up while you are sleeping in the night. Next is he takes a baby sleep. So he needs a baby sleep. Baby sleep is what? When you want to sleep peacefully. What a baby does when he sleeps. Baby does, he cries immediately after he sleeps when he finds any noise around him. So that's what a peaceful sleep को हम बोलते हैं baby sleep. जब आपके अराउंड में कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होता, अदरवाइज you keep on waking up, आपकी नींद जल्दी जल्दी खुलती है. For that kind of people we use he takes a baby sleep. Now snoring, again very popular if you know. So snoring means making noise through your nose while you are sleeping. You must have got what I am trying to tell you. If you are doing it, so it's a bad habit. So if you are snoring, that also happens while sleeping. A lot of people do it. Now, a night owl. What does it mean? That कोई ऐसा पर्सन जो कि पूरी रात या फिर लेट नाइट जागता है, उसे हम कहते हैं इज अ नाइट आउल. लास्ट वन इज हाउ लॉन्ग डू यू स्लीप. इफ आई आस्क यू, आप कितनी देर तक सोते हो? सो राइट फ्रेज ऑफ आंसरिंग दिस क्वेश्चन इज 6 hours sleep. I take 6 hours sleep every day. If you take 8 hours, so you can add your hours. Depends on you. So how long do you sleep? Means आप कितनी देर तक सोते हो या आप कितनी देर सोते हो. That is, I take 6 hours sleep. So these phrases ends up here. Look at the next section what it says. Waking up means जब आप सोकर उठते हो, means getting up from your sleep. Phrase is crawl back into bed. What you do, you just pretend to wake up and you just crawl on your bed. You go this side and that side. You just cover all your bed and shows your laziness. जब आप उठना नहीं चाहते हो और बेड पर आप इधर उधर लेटते हो या फिर इस साइड या उस साइड जाते हो, just showing that you're feeling very lazy. That is said crawling back into bed. So this phrase is, what does that mean? Wake up to an alarm. I only wake up to an alarm. Otherwise, I really can't wake up myself. मैं तब तक नहीं उठता जब तक अलार्म नहीं बज जाता. So this phrase is used to show I wake up to an alarm. मैं अलार्म बजने पर ही उठता हूँ. So this phrase is what about. Get up at the crack of dawn. What is this dawn? No, this dawn doesn't mean what you understand. This dawn is the very early hour of the day when you feel like the sun is going to show its rays in the sky. So that moment is called dawn. Get up at the crack of dawn exactly means to say मैं सुबह 4 बजे उठता हूँ. So इस सेंटेंस को आप इंग्लिश में ऐसे भी कह सकते हो. I get up at the crack of the dawn. That is the earliest hour of the day. Now, when it is end of the day, when the day is going to end and the sun is completely set, तो उस टाइम को हम कहते हैं dusk. और इस टाइम मॉर्निंग के टाइम को हम कहते हैं dawn. D-A-W-N. So now, I get up at the crack of dawn. Very early when I get up. Overslept. इसका हम phrase का यूज कब करते हैं? जब हम बहुत देर तक सोते हैं मॉर्निंग में दोपहर. So I overslept today and that's why I'm having a lot of headache. That is what you slept for late hours in the day. So overslept. He is an early bird is equal to that he wakes up at the crack of dawn. जो बहुत सुबह उठ जाता है उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं phrase he is an early bird, because you must have seen lots of birds chirping around the sky in the early hour of the day. So he is an early bird. Tossing and turning. What does it mean? Tossing and turning means that same thing, you're crawling on your bed. You're just going here and there in your bed and you're feeling sleepy but you're unable to sleep due to some reasons. आपको नींद नहीं आ पा रही है, आप इधर से उधर लेट रहे हो बेड में. That is what this phrase means, tossing and turning. Feeling drowsy, it means that somewhere you are near to sleep. जब हम drowsy feel करते हैं तो हमें हल्की हल्की नींद आती है, तब हम इस phrase का use करते हैं कि मुझे नींद आ रही है अभी से, कि मुझे नींद आने वाली है. So that is what drowsy means. Now, hold your eyes open when you are a kid or you are a kid and you need to sleep down, but your parents say just study for long, keep your eye open, अपनी आंखें खुली रखो और पढ़ाई करो. So that's what this phrase means. Hold your eyes open equal to keep your eyes open, but right phrase is hold your eyes open. The last one is what? During the whole session I'm just feeling yawning. Yeah, so this is what this phrase that we usually do. We yawn. Oh, we sometimes feel like, yeah, I'm feeling sleepy, got tired. So yawning is the right word when you take a deep breath from your mouth and show the expression of your sleep. So in this way we have collected a lots of phrases just to show that how we need to express our feelings when we feel sleepy or already we are sleeping or when we wake up. It will help you to improve your vocab and section of communication. That's all for this session. If you have any doubt, any query, do write us in the section below and tell us. Bye.